Hello everybody, welcome to my X-Files. Today I am going to be doing a clean with the Miele Cx1 Blizzard cat and dog Powerline, or should I say that? Because I wanted to, because you're probably wondering, any of my Miele vacuum cleaning fans, how this vacuum is actually going, because thing is that you haven't seen it for a long time. I don't mind. I was showing you today after have been requested to vacuum up here upstairs my house. So that's said, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and we're ready for the vacuum. As you know, the vacuum is a very powerful technology, and do nice start mode. The vacuum cleaner gets rid of a lot of dirt with its turbo petrol. It's perfect. I do really like its tools and board system. It's best in class. Even though they brought out the Miele Cx1 Boost, which is a totally different looking machine. Right, of course, first test is the dreaded stairs. Of course, the stairs nothing like any stencil like that. Ready? Like a million years. Everything will be clean up, they watch the work. Work doesn't do that. It's a perfect steer wheels. For anybody who, of course, has begun using the Miele vacuum cleaner, that's a Cx1 or Cx1 Boost, anything, just to remind you, if you're not used to the Ecotech Hard Floor Tool, remember that it actually is a bit of a workout, but good thing is I'm well adapted now, so yeah, it actually doesn't feel so bad for power. That's what I usually use, is always maximum power. This is going to be bad, because here it comes, all power light, prime front. This is going to sound very loud, so here we go. It's doing it again, I can't even see this thing. Do that, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, everything's going wrong with this thing. I'm trying to clean this thing and it just seems to ground to a halt. Dead. Wait there. And I can't even. My back is round up and I keep rattling this chair around because it doesn't budge. And it will never budge. Yeah. It would have been Babylon, everything would have clean, everything. She'd work in this place. Everything would be working in this place. You didn't need that. It's like chilling like being here, rah, one thing. Basically, all there is to it must be all hand. Basically, has to be chain hand. How does your house work? How does your house work? How does your house work? Do this. Jane, Miele, everything will be going from this place. 1 second. Jane, Miele, it will never. Shh. Yeah. How did you guys win this big? Oh my God. It's bad. It's stuck on the ground, look! See that? It's stuck on the ground, Kitchen! Miele! What are you doing here? I can't even make it! Kitchen! Look at it! What? It just got off the setting! I can't even try this thing! Now, of course, now it's time to clean this bit. But if you want to look right there, yes, now I've got black and pink on that side and justice on that side. But of course, I have a crush on all the black pink girls now. I've been that way since after February because of the actually knowing about it in January. I thought you'd want to know what to know. Right, let's continue with the vacuuming. As I said, this is probably going to be a big fight. Ready? Here it comes. Ice cream, kidding. And look at it. Surely like a bit of air right on that. What? Why is it not moving? It doesn't move, look! I can't believe that this thing is actually starting to be a bit of a trouble. It didn't move up, but what do you expect? The boat keeps revving up and everything seems to be ground to a halt. It didn't move, look! It's an SOS and a code red. What can I do about it? This is just... I will have justice! And I don't mean the music justice, I mean actual justice against this thing. It didn't budge, look! It will never budge. Yeah. Here we have a bargain on the side of the table. Everything will be cleaning this place for sure. So when I get this off, let's see what happens to this. It doesn't make any difference! It makes it even worse! It makes it even worse than it actually is! I mean, what is going on here? It takes something much I can't clean this thing! Here. It Jason! Move that! I can't believe this. Moving seems to be going to halt. It doesn't work that. And how much can I go on? I mean, this is just bonkers. I mean, breathing this. I told you everything's going wrong in this place. It doesn't budge it, and it will never budge. Yeah. How did you ask me if there's a bit of a word? Look! Oh, blimey, what a clean, I must say. That is one of the most craziest clean I've done with this vacuum cleaner, I think. But, let's say, now I've done it. And of course, there is a little bit of dirt in there already, but with that, let's see how much. No, though. Don't even know that you don't get much dirt up here. That's the thing. When I used to have a dog, it's always that the messiest room in the house was actually upstairs. So that about wraps it up for today. So I have to say thank you for watching my X-Files, and if you do like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and of course to hit that bell icon so you don't miss a video. And of course you can also look at further videos back from 2019 all the way to the present day with a lot of subjects. So with that said, thank you for watching my X-Files, and I will see you again next time, slugheads.